Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to organize files on your desktop using tags. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So as I'm using Mac OS, I'm going to simply teach you how to do it in Mac OS. So for this, you need to go in your Finder and select any of the data you want to tag. So once you have found the data you want to tag, you can simply tap on the control button. So once you have right click the control button, you can get here different kind of tags. So you can simply tap on any of the tag color you want. So I'm preferring the blue color. Now you can see that it has now been tagged, and if you go in your Finder and go in the blue section, you can find that particular file in your tagged section rather than in different folders. So this is how you can simply organize your files on desktop with the help of tag. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.